Yo, what is up, my fam? Welcome to KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, streetwear, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today I will be reviewing for you guys the Yeezy 350 V2s in the cloud white colorway. But I also want to, before I talk about anything else, I just want to give a really big thank you to you guys for helping me reach 1,000K. 1,000K? Whoa! 1K followers, 1,000 followers, subscribers on YouTube. Now, anyway, I just want to give a really big thank you to you guys because it's such a good feeling that it's taken me over over a year, almost 2 years to try and kind of accomplish this milestone for me. I'm still going to be trying to push for more videos in the future to give you guys better content. I do have like a little bit of a plan outlaid there, so I can do kind of series of kind of different sneaker videos for you guys. It's coming, it's all coming, guys. So yeah, I'm really excited to kind of take you guys along the journey. Anyway, guys, in terms of the 350 V2 review, I am just going to say that there's nothing really groundbreakingly new because there have been so many colorways released in the past for this sneaker. Not just this sneaker, but Adidas in general with others. I think like even with the 700s, if I'm not mistaken, they've just all they've really done is just change the hue of the color for that sneaker, change a couple of other different color aspects on the sneaker, and then they just named it a new colorway. Like the way that I like to think about it is that it's just Kanye basically fulfilling his promise that everyone that wanted Yeezys is gonna get Yeezys. Give praise to the guy for doing that because he's just fulfilling his promise, and people still do want Yeezys, which is amazing as well. Like a lot of people would say Yeezys are dead. To some people that have got probably so many Yeezys, they are dead. But to the people that don't have Yeezys and are experiencing it for the first time, it will never be dead. Like for that moment, So that's why all these different people kind of coming into the Yeezy market to this Yeezy kind of phenomenon, and so they're loving Yeezy. Anyway, guys, so today I will be going to the Subtype store in Melbourne. Why? Because I have won the sneaker raffle for the Yeezys. That's actually how I got it. This is my first win, guys. I've never won a sneaker raffle before. It's actually really weird. I didn't expect to win, but I won, and yeah. So I'm gonna go down to the city now to go pick up the sneakers. So let's get it, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? So I am currently on the way to the Subtype store now, cause you know why? I got a little bit of a cold, so this Melbourne weather and this Melbourne sickness is. I got in line and they're getting my pair now. But I'm taking a look at this place. It's not bad, bro. It's really vibrant, and they got this whole it's like a rock climbing area down there. That's pretty sick. And look at the range, bruh. Look at the range. All these sneakers. So definitely, if you're ever in Melbourne, definitely check out Subtype store because they do have a lot of cool stuff. And shoe, the one that looks like an iron. Seeing all the memes. Oh, she like Nikki, I make her a monster. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here with Elva. She's here out helping out with the store today. And tell us a little bit about the store, Elva.
Subtype is really a nice place to find interesting things.
Definitely. It's Tim wrapping up Yeezys over here. Taking care of them, taking care of everybody.
$1,000 giveaway.
Thank you so much, Tim.
Thank you, my man.
Thank you.
Pleasure. See you next time.
Yo, so we just got the Yeezys in the bag. Gonna go review them for you guys now, and it's currently raining in Melbourne, so I'm gonna have to get myself under cover and stuff. All right, guys. So I am back. I got the sneakers right here. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna say sorry, guys, for my I got a little bit of a cold, so I am not feeling well. I actually took a couple of days off this week so I can you know, get some rest and relaxation. But you know how it is, you gotta work for your money. So a big shout out to the guys at Subtype Store for you know, giving everyone the opportunity to get these sneakers. It was fun seeing you guys. A lot of you guys are so bubbly and really, really nice. I got to meet Mr. Lucas Blackman there. Whoop! He's a really cool Instagrammer. He's a really good photographer. He just creates really cool social media content. And yeah, he asked for my photo. I was just like, whoa, bro! You asked me for my photo? I should be asking for your photo, kind of thing. Anyway, yeah. So yeah. So I got the sneakers. Battled the bad weather. And here they are, guys. And I like this little tote that they give away. It's pretty cool. So as you can see there, $3.50, made by Adidas. And I got the US 9, guys. So this is the unboxing. So they always have the same paper on every pair of Yeezys, which is cool. Wow. Look at that. These are actually a lot bluer in person. Like when I looked at the photos, they look white almost, but this is blue. This is a blue tint. Even the laces, see, the laces are light blue, and there's a light blue stripe over here. I don't know if you guys can see. So definitely it's got this, it's still got that static, the static kind of pattern on the top, where it's not just one color. So it's almost like a reptile skin material every time I think about it. Look how clean this is compared to these were the look at my cream Yeezys. Yeah, I got this from the Waves AU drop. Shout out to Waves Never Die. Mr. George, shout out to you. So this is, look at this, all right, compared to this. That is crazy. But what I like about this one is that you can always reverse it, guys. It doesn't stay like this. There are ways that you can make it back to almost like this, but it's just gonna cost you a little bit of money. I know the Sneaker Laundry guys do it. Let's go back to it, and as you can see, it's got a really clear outsole right there. You can see the boost coming through the outsole too. The midsole is translucent once again, so you can kind of see where the boost starts, especially here. You can see how one part is white, and then there's this part. That's part of the midsole here, and you can see where the boost is right there. In terms of sizing, guys, I would really highly advise you to go to your nearest resale store, or a store that you can try a pair of Yeezys on. Ask a friend, maybe they have a Yeezy that's around your size that you can borrow just to try on, because the problem with Adidas, I do really believe, is sometimes their sizing is a little bit off, in terms of, because you always have to go down one, like either a whole size or a half a size. Well, inside in there it says Adidas Yeezys, and yeah, guys, this is such a clean sneaker. Like, I don't know, there's nothing like putting on a fresh pair of Yeezys, I gotta say. I mean, fresh pair of shoes is good, but when you put Yeezys on, it's a little bit more special. I don't know, because it's probably because of the hype, you know. But yeah, definitely these are really, really nice. I would have liked it a little bit more if it was a little bit more whiter than this blue. It's more like a blue, really light teal color. But I still think that these are dope. You can still wear these with a lot of colors. What do you think? Does this match, guys? Oh, not really. Yeah, so that's probably the most that I could probably say about these sneakers. Here's both of them together. So these are the 350 V2s in the cloud white colorway. I still like them, I still rate them, but I still probably, if I could buy a color, I would still go for the cream whites, because I don't know, they just they just obviously match a lot more different kind of outfits, and that's the kind of guy I am. Especially when I'm traveling, I don't have the luxury of wearing, bringing all these different kind of sneakers. And speaking of traveling, guys, that is why I have so many pairs. I got 3 pairs of Yeezys, 350 V2s. So I got this one from my wife. I did a unboxing for this a while ago. She bought it for my first anniversary. I hope it's real. But she said she spent like $700 on it. I'm like, okay, it better be real. And she said that she asked a really good source on where to get them. I think she asked one of my friends, but she still hasn't. I need to get back to her about that. Who did she actually ask to buy these? Anyway, that was the first ones, the zebras. Obviously, this is my second. I showed you guys before. These are my creams that I got from Waves AU. And the last one I got is the Statics. This is the one with the really similar kind of pattern, as you guys can see. And these ones are kind of special to me because I bought them for retail in Japan, just randomly at the Adidas store in Shibuya. And I couldn't believe it, so I bought it and I was just like, I put them on straight away. I didn't even spray it with like crepe protector or anything. I just put them on straight away and I love them. They're so comfy, guys. That's why I have so many V2s, guys, because look at them. When you put them together, when you put them in your luggage, it like you can just scrunch them up together like this, pack them flat like that, and then they're good to go once you start wearing them straight away. You don't have to worry about the leather creasing on other kind of stiff leather sneakers and all that kind of stuff. And also the boost, guys. The boost in in Yeezys are so comfortable. And also, guys, I have some really good news for you guys as well. I am actually giving these sneakers away in terms of my 1K followers kind of thing. But it's a little bit different because I kind of want to meet the person that I'm actually going to give it to. So I'm actually donating these to the as a giveaway to the Kickstand event on October 5th. So I will be there, and if you win the raffle, you can win these sneakers. So you definitely have to be there to actually win.
You definitely have to be there to actually win. You definitely have to be there to actually win.
I'm really sorry that I don't have any other kind of way of giving it, but this is kind of the easiest way for me to actually do it. So so for my followers out there, I will be doing another giveaway, but this one's like a sort of a special one that I did want to contribute to the lifestyle. It's More Than Lifestyle event tour for the Kickstand in Sydney. So this is sort of like my way of giving back to the community there at that event, because I do want you guys to attend those kind of those events, guys, because that's where the community is. That's where the good vibes are and stuff. So definitely, if you're gonna be there, you're gonna have a good chance to actually win these sneakers. All you have to do is kind of buy raffle tickets. You're given raffle tickets at the door as well when you buy the $5 entry ticket. So the more raffle tickets you obviously buy, the more chance you get to get one of these, to get this sneaker. This is a size 9, which I do believe is a pretty common size. And even if it isn't your size and you do win, you can do the good thing and give it to someone else for retail. It's up to you, or you can even try to resell it and get some more money from it. That's totally up to you. But guys, please do come to the October 5th. It's More Than Just Sneakers lifestyle tour event for the Kickstand in Sydney at PCYC Auburn Stadium. It's from I think 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Once again, $5 the tickets at the door. Sorry if I did try them on. I needed to get it for the video, and sorry if I triggered a couple of people wearing Nike socks and Adidas sneakers at the same time. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that's kind of subscribed as well. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are a new person to my videos, please consider subscribing so that you can get more cool content of me doing sneaker stuff or traveling or doing other stuff in the future. Anyway, guys, a big thank you to you guys. I'll see you guys soon, and thanks once again for watching this video. Peace.